Hi folks! In this tiny series I'm gonna show you how to easily connect a sensor on my local PC with an SAP Cloud Platform IoT Foundation system. You will get all the information necessary to do it end to end. And with this knowledge, you can simply extend this with a variety of additional sensors or other devices without losing the overview. But first, let's zoom out and look from a distance to get an overview of the two most important tools. And then, in a second video, I will show you the real-world example. To connect a sensor with your target system could be a long story. A lot of technical issues are awaiting you until even the smallest message arrives at its destination. And sometimes not only one target is interested in the information from a specific sensor. To connect every sensor with every target one-to-one could be a lot of work and a lot of possible issues. You wonder, is there an easy way? Yes, MQTT could be a solution for you. MQTT is an open messaging protocol for machine-to-machine communication that allows telemetry data to be transmitted in the form of messages between devices despite high delays or limited networks. But enough of definitions. Simply put, we have a so-called MQTT broker in the middle who stores our data. This could also be called the estate database. Then there is a publisher who sends the data and a subscriber who receives the data. By the way, this MQTT broker can be in the cloud or on your local device, PC or Raspberry Pi. But where is the data written now? That's very easy to organize. You simply define a so-called topic, which can be structured something like that: house, rooms, downstairs, kitchen, light 1, or house, rooms, upstairs, bedroom, door, sensor 1. Anything you like, as deep or as flat as you like. And you can easily add more subscribers to a specific topic. As you can see, we have a simple way to connect one or more devices easily and robust. However, you still need code that needs to be programmed. And if the MQTT broker is on your local device, you must install and set up. Didn't I say it's easy? Now the next thing comes in place: Node-RED. Wikipedia says, Node-RED is a flow-based development tool for visual programming developed originally by IBM for wiring together hardware devices, APIs, and online services as part of the Internet of Things. Node-RED provides a web browser-based flow editor which can be used to create JavaScript functions. Elements of applications can be saved or shared for reuse. The runtime is built on Node.js. With Node-RED, you can solve very complex tasks very easily. Essentially, Node-RED is always about a flow. This means that information is passed from node to node and processed. The big advantage of Node-RED is, on the one hand, that it's graphically designed and therefore largely self-documenting, and, on the other hand, that each node is easy to duplicate. This makes it possible, for example, to add further sensors very quickly. The combination of Node-RED and MQTT makes everything even more interesting. Node-RED can very easily take over the entire status management and even display the values from a local MQTT broker or from a cloud MQTT broker in its own dashboard, or take over control tasks. Node-RED runs in the browser and can therefore be used on almost any device. I even have Node-RED on my Android smartphone. Another important information: Node-RED does not create runtime exe files, but it actually runs as it is, graphically. With our knowledge of MQTT and Node-RED, we can now start connecting our sensor to the SAP IoT system. But more about this in the next video. Stay tuned!